Here we have the next example where you are given a picture and expected to summarize. Now this comes under your task 1 again in academic writing. Let me read the question for you and then we'll go on to summarize the same. This diagram shows how alcohol is distilled through a set of apparatus. Summarize the information by selecting and reporting the main features and make comparisons where relevant. Okay, so let's begin. This diagram shows the process of distilling alcohol, where collecting alcohol or separating alcohol from water. The procedure begins like this, where we have a distillation flask that contains a solution of water and alcohol placed above a tripod and a Bunsen burner. The distillation flask has got a stopper and has also got a thermometer inserted into it. There is an outlet from this distillation flask which passes through a condenser and reaches a beaker. When the Bunsen burner is lit, the solution of water and alcohol gets heated. After some time, this solution of alcohol and water, when it gets heated, alcohol gets vaporized, if you can see here. Alcohol gets vaporized and it passes through the outlet of the distillation flask. And as it moves, it goes past the condenser. Now this condenser continuously keeps getting cool water. So when the vapors run through or pass through this condenser, it reaches the beaker and alcohol is collected there. Pure alcohol is collected here in the beaker. Now this explains the procedure of alcohol being separated from water. And here we have condensed alcohol being collected. So this is how you are going to summarize. Mention first, you need to explain the apparatus, and then you will explain the procedure that has been carried out. So this is also an example of academic writing.